Hi everyone. This is Oma, and I wanna know you guys that our live streamer really need financial support. So, who want to sponsor or to help her niece and her father, or want to sponsor here a grocery or her father and niece. Her niece now is nephew is uh, going to the hospital of every month checkup. So I think has pain in her body. So if you guys want to sponsor, just please email me. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. I appreciate it. Love you all.
Hi guys, I'm just preparing to go home now. Yeah, I'm just going to my kilay before I go because kilay is life. I'm just preparing to go home now on my father's house where I'm home. Yeah, this is Lily preparing to go home. I'm going out from Tita's house. I'm just walking to go home now. Guys, this is our house. Yeah, this is our house. This is our house. This is the our door or gate, Then hello. Yeah, this is the inside of our house. Yeah, it's totally messy because there's no girls cleaning here. So that I'm always coming home to clean the house. This is the reality of my life, This is our kitchen. This is like a while ago, when my mother is alive. This is like a canteen that's selling food, but now it's not selling anymore. Yes, this is my house, guys. Oh, this is my father. This is my father. Yeah, totally always going to laundry. Hello, Papa. Hi. Yeah, this is my house. Yeah, this is our house has 2 rooms. Yeah, this is the 2 rooms. This is the room of my father. Yeah, this is my niece. Yeah, I talked to. This is my niece. Is he is sleeping. He's sleeping. Yeah. He is very thin. This is the room of my father when he is sleeping. So that I will clean here now before I go home to aunt. And this is the second room when I'm just cleaning, when I'm just here to sleep. Here is the room that I will sleep. This is my second. This is the elder niece of mine. Yeah. Here in our house don't have electricity. We use that uh, solar light. Huh? Hindi ko dala. Nakalimutan ko eh. This is the house. So I'm just preparing to clean now. Just sweeping the floor here. This is my house. Doon sa ano? Galing ako sa doon, ako. Punta ka na ba doon? Ngayon? Oo, ngayon daw eh. So, I'm just here. My son is in the outside. He's playing. This is my eldest. He's shy. It's my eldest niece. Yeah. This is my niece. You know, this is my niece. Who this is the niece that I tell to you guys. He's so thin. Yeah, so guys, I will prepare to clean right now. So thank you for seeing me. Thank you. Bye.